Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At yung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated niya kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Esang De Torres. And sorry, excited na ako guys na mapanood yung kanyang cover song. So kinanta niya dito guys yung kanta ni Olivia Rodrigo na All I Want. And yeah, sobrang excited na ako na mapakinggan to. Kaya, i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's do begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys. 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Wow. Galing ni Esang, no? Wow.
From my past, we fell in love, but it didn't last. 'Cause the second I figure it out, he pushes me away, and I won't fight for love if you
Grabe boses niya, no?
me halfway. And I say that I'm through, but the song's still for you.
Napakaganda ng boses.
All I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me? All I want is a good guy. My expectations far too high. Try my best, but what can I say? All I have is myself at the end of the day. But shouldn't that be enough for me? I love Minecraft. I play Minecraft.
Wow.
And I miss the days when I was young and naive. Thank you for the gift. For a perfect guy will come and find me.
Grabe no, ang ganda talaga ng voice tone ni Esang, no? Talagang si Esang, isa siya sa sinubaybayan ko ng The Voice na sobrang na-amaze ako sa boses. Kakalit-lit lang ni Esang nun, pero grabe yung quality ng kanyang boses, no? Talagang pakikinggan mo eh. And eto guys, dalaga na si Esang, napakaganda ng kanyang boses lalo. Ang sarap pakinggan. Yung pagka-pure ng kanyang boses, talagang tagos sa heart. Diba? Napakagaling na mga awit talaga ni Esang. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo. Kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!